Hi everyone, welcome to Camille's Holistic Health Show. I'm Dr. Cam, and today we're going to talk about the essential needs for vitamin D. It's very, very important in our health and wellness today, and we seem to forget about particular vitamins, and many of the vitamins we forget to, supplement with is vitamin D. And the best way we know how to get vitamin D is through sunshine. And we're going to go through a little bit about vitamin D, the essential uh, maintenance of it, and the various ways you can supplement with vitamin D. So if this is a video of interest to you, then go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that bell, get notified every time I have a new video coming out. So vitamin D, as we know, we can get that through our skin, and whether you are someone who loves to be outdoors or someone who loves to be indoors, it's really important to know that if you don't get the proper vitamin D, there are other factors that play into it. You know, you need vitamin D for your bones to stay very healthy. That's one we know of very, very well. And, but however, it's really important to get proper vitamin D for your immune system. And, if you are not getting the vitamin D you need, then, various things can pop up like autoimmune conditions. And there's even a link between deficiency of vitamin D and breast cancer. So take a look at some of the various research out there because there is definitely a link. And also, if you are suffering with colds and flus, obviously, because you need a strong immune system, if you are lacking vitamin D, so again, flus and colds can really uh, come up for you a lot more often if you have deficiency in vitamin D. And, I also recommend that you supplement 2,000 IUs, usually in the morning, followed by another 2,000 IUs during lunchtime. And if you want to take a look at recommendations such as Chris Kresser out there, chriskresser.com, or Dr. McCullough is another one who recommends a blood level of 50 to 70 milliliters. And if that is something you want to take a look at, then you can go to drmccullough.com, and he has a lot on vitamin D if that's something you want to consider supplementing with. And you always want to go with high quality vitamin D and look for ones that have K3 in them because it really is great for allowing your blood to prevent from coagulation. So, do your homework with vitamin D. There's also reabsorption of, you want to get a good one that can actually absorb into your body very well. And the oils are really good. You want to take a look at those as well. And I think um, Dr. McCullough and certain people who are, you know, in advanced into integrative medicine, you can really take some of the tips that I'm uh, giving you today and guide yourself to their websites, and you can take a look at the different, supplements that can really benefit you. So we are going to now go into some of the risk factors if you have deficiency in vitamin D. Lack of appetite, vomiting, constipation, diarrhea, dry mouth, and that metallic taste in your, your mouth as well. So the most common symptoms of excessive vitamin D, that's of course, if you have too much vitamin D, those are definitely the signs. And if you lack vitamin D, you might feel fatigue, you might feel joint pain, you might have hair loss, you might have fractures of your hip bone or your knee, or you might have little accidents here and there. So those are excess of vitamin D and deficiencies in vitamin D. Now, the top foods that I suggest for deficiency in vitamin D, always fishy foods. Salmon, you want to go sardines, trout, eggs, dairy, of course, cheese is one, yogurt is another, um, pork, if that's something that you eat, orange juice, things with vitamin C, uh, soy. But if you are looking to supplement with better types of soy, you would want to do gluten-free, and mushrooms. So those are just some of the foods that are really high in vitamin D. I also gave you some of the recommendations to use if you want to supplement with them. Always, like I said, is really good to talk to a health professional. Somebody who's in integrative medicine is great too. A health professional who uh, a lot of knows a lot about nutrition and a lot about supplementing the foods and supplements for certain things that you are in need of or you have deficiencies in. So I hope this video really helped you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that bell, and get notified every time I have a new video coming out. Thanks so much for listening, and I'll talk to you next time in the next video. Bye now.